You're hot, baby. Oh. Oh, we're on video. So.
You're such a bullshitter.
I'm not. You just go. Oh my God.
One minute I'm absolutely one stunning, and then tell me the truth. You're fine.
You're fine. Everything's fine.
No, that's not fine.
What's not fine now?
That I'm only just fine.
Stuff down there?
Yeah.
I'd go down there because it's you know, a hard road to go down.
You're a fucking hard road to go down.
Is that right? I'm a hard road to go down.
Sometimes.
Yeah, you think you're pretty fucking funny today, don't you? You think you're on today, don't you? Hey? Unbelievable. The things that us men have to give up and deal with. Well, see, that looks interesting. And guess what? It's not. And some of the tools, hand tools maybe. You know what I mean? The little ones.
Watch out for that bush turkey down there. Take it.
I wouldn't be surprised, darling. Yeah, so what do you reckon? Just grab a lot, eh? Buck each. There's some snow skis there, darling.
Oh yes, that's just what I need.
I could see you snow skiing. Should we go to the snow?
No, yeah, I'd love to go. Actually, I was talking to somebody the other day.
Were they listening?
Yeah,
We were talking about going to Tasmania.
I said I'll go with ya.
Well, who are you going with?
Some guy at work.
Rightio. So you're taking off with some friggin'... Oh.
What is that?
Well, like a threesome.
No. Get your mind out of the gutter.
I am literally in the gutter. Don't run me over. Did you say they're nice balls? You're talking about them. You were stuffed. Well, she got a nice net to catch somebody in. Got a bit of spring in your life?
No.
What about the buckets? Okay. Hi. Want some cars there? Oh, it's broken. That's kind of cool. That's cool. Stop there, babe. I'll throw some of this in it. Most of them are broken. They're cool though. Stop there. Just a couple of cars. Give them the salvos of the kids. Nice little side road. Look at some of the houses are nice. Who have asked if this is always fun? What's the odds? You gonna hit something?
No, no.
Oh shit. It's quite a big turning circle though, isn't it? Compared to the Ford.
Yeah.
Yeah, just reverse up a bit and I'll get in with you, babe. That'll do. I feel like an ice block. I saw these new, like, oh, I don't know, what were they? Like white chocolate. Yeah, kind of like that. It's a new one though.
The police. We haven't got no seatbelts on.
I got my seatbelt on.
Is that the police?
No, it's not the police, honey.
I'll have to do some crying otherwise.
Cries to get out of tickets.
Yeah. It works. Which way, darling?
Right. Because we've been left. Enough couple of old chairs, junk.
Boxes.
Seems like cases broken, boxes. The metal ones of those are good, but that's not metal.
Yeah. Are we back curbside, you think?
No. And if it was, we wouldn't want it anyway, would we?
No. Left or right?
Straight up.
Straight up.
And then we'll look and see. There's a pole there.
Come back or
Yeah, go up first.
just pull over to the side here?
Yep, somebody behind you there.
Yeah.
Bit of cane. I think we'll keep rolling, baby.
I like that house. I really love that house.
It is nice, isn't
It's
it?
just simple.
Well, right up your fucking alley.
That's why I got you.
Yeah. Hey, did you bring the Scrabble back?
Fuck no.
Oh,
You said you were going to get one.
I didn't.
Well, I didn't bring it back.
We've been here because there's the bloke still sitting on this.
And with his that helmet
It's
on.
still sitting there.
So will we turn around?
I guess so. Should we go down, I think, and then...
Down and around. Yep. Did we look at, I think last time, if I remember rightly, we came here. That's where we got all the newborn nappies from. That time. There was all unused newborn nappies. Right,
English isn't their first language.
Straight ahead.
Straight out, I reckon. And I reckon we're going to head back.
Okay.
You know, Brighton, go back through Brighton, go to Spate Street, you know, where you used to live and shit.
Yeah.
Well, the 2 o'clock,
Oh,
it must have been, you know,
yeah.
no, school's nearly over.
Yeah, I'll have to take the highway.
What?
I don't like
I
that.
don't like the highway. Another rug? Nah, I don't want it. Canes all ripped.
Yeah, like that. That's what we need, a Winnebago like that.
You know, people buy them, they never use it.
We would.
Well, I'd be sleeping outside, right? Because you snore and I can't sleep with you, so I'd be sleeping outside. So you buy a fucking Winnebago and a Bago, and I'll have a tent. Because I'll be in the fucking tent anyway. How's that sound?
Great. There's a coffee shop. This way?
I think left is the way to go back, isn't it?
No,
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
Alright, we'll go left and you're wrong.
Oh, this is going over the railway line.
Yeah, nice ice cream with magnets.
Yeah, something like that, yeah. Well, there's nothing over this side, so I'd say I was wrong. No, I mean it. No, I reckon you should turn around.
I think I can go that way.
I think you're wrong. Turn around
I'm turning around, all right?
so you can get over the railway line. I love you.
I love you too.
Even though you're wrong.
Oh,
I mean, I would.
Curbside?
No, they're not curbside. Look at that big beauty.
Yeah.
Nice
yeah,
house.
It's lovely.
We keep looking at the house like they're going, we couldn't get up the stairs.
No. That, I like that.
Tom and Jenny still get up there, though, don't they?
Yeah, but they not a lot of stairs.
It's enough.
Yeah.
I struggle going up Tom's stairs.
Yeah. They ain't got bad knees. When you get your knees and stuff, that's the
Oh,
problem.
Tom's got a good weight on him too. I'm fat.
No, you're not, baby.
Yeah, I am.
You're perfect.
I'm obese. Doctor, put the tape around me. Hit that little red bit and go, you're obese.
You said, doctor, are you wrong?
My last doctor told me I was immortal.
He was definitely wrong.
No, I was there. And because I had all my bloods done, remember? I didn't know what was going on. And he said, your bloods have come back fantastic. So I said, so you're telling me my lifestyle of drinking, smoking, taking drugs and partying has made me immortal? And he said, Gavin, that's not what I said. I'm like, well,
What do you say?
that's what I heard.
Oh, you just hear what UL birds talk to you, baby.
Birds do talk to me.
So
They're nasty though. And fucking this bird, it was about a year ago, right? I swear to you, it was up in the tree and it goes, fucking kill yourself. Fucking kill yourself. Well, I don't even know this bird. Oh, down here.
Oh, you always tell me at the last minute.
Nah, it doesn't matter. Shit.
Can I just say go down there?
I can. Don't go down there. Is that better? You whinge a lot, you know. Has it been a thing for a while?
So they've told me, yes.
Oh, yeah. You've been picked up on that a couple
Yeah.
times, have you? Where, what?
At work, because they should do as I say.
Is that your philosophy on most things?
Yes.
What about our relationship?
You should do as I say.
So I should just blanketly listen to you and what you say and just
Yes.
obey.
Yes, not argue
Like
with
a
me.
dog.
No, not about everything. Every fucking thing I'm never right.
Go Trump! Go Trump!
We need to work on Australia first.
I'm a Trump supporter.
See, 7-Eleven. How can you support somebody that's not even for our country?
I don't know. It's not so much even Trump, mate. It's Elon Musk. It's Robert F. Kennedy Jr. You know, there's a lot of reasons. Anyway, that's just my opinion. And I'm not very intelligent, so people don't need to pay any heed to my fucking opinions.
And I don't
Yeah.
vote, so it doesn't matter.
No. Well, we're in Australia, babe.
I just hate everybody, so.
What? You hate me now?
No. I only hate people that don't agree with me. Do as I say.
Oh, let's sing our little narcissistic song. I'm on to narcissism, the way it should be. The way I said, the way it should be.
No, but I've been in this job for 30 years and I know what I'm doing.
Now you sound like Scooby. Scooby, that's one of famous Scooby's like, I know what I'm doing. He's fucking autistic and has no idea what he's doing.
Well, I know what I'm doing.
See? He says that too.
So you're like referring to me as Scooby. I don't have autism.
Of course you don't, sweetie.
No, I don't. Don't look at me like that.
Like what? Like you have autism.
Turn this off.
It's nothing to be ashamed of.
I know. My grandson has autism.
Which one?
Colin.
Beautiful houses anyway. I reckon that politician's name there just says Bismarck as if.
Huh?
Okay, its last name is ASIF. Is
Is he even Australian? From
It was a chick. She looked Indian.
India, of course.
What's that got to do with it?
I don't know. I'm not going to say anything.
It said as if.
Because.
It said as if. ASIF. Like.
Yeah, as if.
As if. Yeah.
It's just.
That's
like,
an Australian sag as in bullshit.
Yeah.
You know that saying, don't you?
Yes, I do.
As if, mate. You know.
But I can be, even though I'm not racist, I can be conceived very much so as a racist. But I'm not. I have friends of all colour, creed, and.
You just said you hate everybody.
No, but I still have friends that I work with.
But you hate them.
No, I don't hate them. When they're not doing as I want them to do.
Oh. Is there any German blood in you?
Yes, there is.
Oh, there might be.
I am not a dictator.
Ain't Spain, plain. What?
I'm not a dictator. I'm a teacher.
You're nearly a dictator.
But no.
What?
So rude.
I don't want to. Oh, you was bringing up dick, not me.
No, I didn't.
I'm sorry, but you did.
Right here. I'm gonna drive really fast now.
Okay. And my shoulder.
How?
I don't know.
So why would you put a playground there?
For kids to
There
play.
with barbecue. Just in, but no toilets. They put a playground. This is what Australia is fucked. They put a playground, no toilets.
I know.
A kid's playground where kids need to go to the toilet, but no toilets.
That's because all the gays will be hanging around there.
Oh, no. So
Yeah.
they've just got to piss on
Yeah. It's unfortunate but true. Oh yeah, that's right. We're still looking at stuff.
Yeah, I'm talking. We're talking shit.
Yeah, we're talking shit.
No,
That's just why I've asked it, yeah.
Oh, it's nearly school time.
I said that like 10 minutes ago when I saw the flashing blue lights. I said, look, the flashing lights.
No, that was the cobbers because there's a flashing red lights.
I meant red. Smart ass, you knew that. I stuffed up and you used it against me. My one weakness. You take advantage of.
Yeah.
It's a cruel, cruel world.
Oh, there's the scout house.
The scout house.
This is my school that I went to.
Did you? Nashville State High. Was that state school?
Oh,
That's primary.
School. Yeah, it was primary.
Yeah.
I only went to grade 10.
Primary school. That's a long time.
Down this way, Nathan.
Yeah.
Take some down this way.
Oh,
What?
Sunday they had an ice cream shop.
They had a corner store.
They did?
Yeah.
So you want to go get an ice cream?
Yeah, I'll just pull over.
You're fucking you.
I'm going to, but I was letting that car.
I'll allow it. She loves it when she loves it when I say I
You
allow
don't
it.
allow me to do anything.
She loves it when I say I'll allow it. She hates it. Alright, I'll see you as we get an ice cream.